welcome to Rihal's Cookies. Today we're gonna make gingerbread cookies, soft and chewy. And today, this is my sister Rhea. She loves to bake cookies too. She's my assistant guest. Say hi, War. Say hi, Rhea. Hi. And hi, guys. For gingerbread cookies, you will need, this, cookie cutters and the icing, but you could also need some like the ginger and cinnamon and flour and those and butter,
sugar.
First, mix all the ingredients up. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. Now let's mix up the dry ingredients in 2 minutes. Add the butter till it pulls and sandy. Next, we should add 2 tablespoons of milk. Add the molasses until the mixed dough comes together. Roll the dough to 1/4 inch thickness. Now put the dough in the refrigerator. After that, you can cut the cookies and bake them in the oven. And you can also ice them. Thank you for watching Rihal's Cookies, a snowflake season, which is soft gingerbread cookies that are new. Bye-bye.